The world of nutrition is often complex, and it's filled with rumors and conflicting advice. Many of us have the same recurring questions about diet and weight loss. Today, we're going to sort through some of those common questions, sticking to the facts. We explore topics like this in every episode, so be sure to subscribe now so you don't miss a thing. Welcome to New Pod. Many people wonder if cutting out certain foods is the key to losing weight. When it comes to sugar, it's true that products high in added sugars, like sugary drinks, candy, or store-bought pastries, pack a significant number of calories. In return, these foods offer little nutritional value and aren't very filling, which can easily lead to overeating. That's why public health guidelines generally recommend limiting them. Cutting back can definitely help reduce your overall calorie intake and support your weight loss goals. However, it's important not to eliminate all sugars without distinction. Those naturally present in fruits or dairy products, for example, are a healthy part of a balanced diet and shouldn't be avoided. With gluten, the situation is different and needs some clarification. For most people, there's no need to cut it out of your diet, except in specific cases. Eliminating gluten is only recommended if you have celiac disease, diagnosed by a healthcare professional, or a proven gluten sensitivity. For the vast majority of people, gluten is not an obstacle to losing weight. It's also important to note that gluten-free products, which are often seen as healthier, can sometimes be formulated to make up for the lack of gluten. This can mean they're actually higher in fat or sugar, which wouldn't help your weight loss goals. Before you consider cutting out an entire food group, a move that could lead to nutritional deficiencies, it's always best to talk to a qualified healthcare provider. Intermittent fasting is more popular than ever, but it's not a magic bullet for everyone. This eating pattern involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. For some people, it can be a useful tool for managing calorie intake and getting back in touch with hunger signals. However, this approach isn't suitable for everybody. Certain individuals, including pregnant or nursing women, children, the elderly, and people with medical conditions like diabetes or a history of eating disorders, should avoid it unless cleared by a doctor. If you're curious about trying intermittent fasting, it's vital to consult your physician or a registered dietitian first. The goal is to find a long-term strategy that works for your body and your lifestyle, without causing stress or nutritional gaps. You see supplements everywhere promising miraculous results, with names like fat burner, appetite suppressant, or detox. The list goes on. But in reality, no dietary supplement is a magic pill for weight loss. A balanced diet and regular physical activity are still the cornerstones. Most of these products have no scientifically proven ability to help with weight loss. Some can even be risky for your health, especially if they interact with other medications or if you take too much. Health authorities regularly warn about the dangers of certain supplements. Before you consider taking any of them, it's crucial to talk to your doctor or pharmacist. They can figure out if you really need one and guide you towards safe and effective options if you do. People often ask if it's possible to lose weight without physical activity. The answer is yes. It's entirely possible to lose weight by focusing mainly on your diet. The deciding factor is your energy balance, that is, the balance between the calories you consume and the calories your body burns. If you consume fewer calories than your body uses, you will lose weight. This is the basic principle of weight management. But it's important not to stop there. While diet alone can start the process, physical activity plays a vital and irreplaceable role in achieving weight loss that's both healthy and sustainable. It also significantly contributes to your overall well-being, an aspect that's often underestimated in weight loss efforts. Physical activity offers many benefits beyond just burning calories. It helps maintain muscle mass, which is very important because muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does. Plus, it significantly improves your mood, helps reduce stress, and plays a vital role in your overall cardiovascular health. These aspects are fundamental for a good quality of life and for avoiding the yo-yo effect. The World Health Organization, the WHO, provides clear recommendations on this. They advise adults to get at least 150 to 300 minutes of moderate-intensity endurance activity each week. In addition to that, they recommend muscle-strengthening activities twice a week. These guidelines are designed to maximize health benefits and support effective, long-term weight management. So, making movement a part of your daily routine is a key strategy. It's common to follow an eating plan all week and then find yourself at a family dinner or a night out with friends. Should you feel guilty about these moments? Absolutely not. The idea of a slip-up or a cheat meal has no place in a sustainable weight loss journey. Social life and the pleasure of eating are an essential part of our balance. Instead of seeing it as a failure, think of these moments as opportunities to practice a flexible approach. Take the time to savor your food, be present, and enjoy yourself without overdoing it. What matters is what you do most of the time. One larger or richer meal won't undo all your progress, as long as you get back to your healthy habits with the next meal. Learn to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, even in these situations. To sum up the key points we've talked about, it's crucial to remember 3 fundamental principles. These are for a healthy and sustainable approach to eating and managing your weight. First, avoid systematically cutting out food groups. Eliminating entire categories without a medical reason is unnecessary. It can also be potentially harmful. Second, be cautious of miracle solutions. There's no magic pill. Dietary supplements can't replace a healthy lifestyle, and they might even be risky. Finally, flexibility is absolutely essential. It's vital to include enjoyable moments and social meals without any guilt. This approach helps you maintain a calm relationship with food. It also supports weight loss efforts that can last for the long term. This way, you stay away from frustration and extreme restrictions. By taking an informed and flexible approach, you're building the foundation for a healthy, long-term relationship with your body and with food. We'll continue to explore these important topics in future episodes. Subscribe to NewPod so you don't miss any of our upcoming breakdowns.